just give you a short answer. I'm hungry. I'm hungry to sing, and so that's the main reason.
But does it also goes to tell you that you've done new songs, but we still enjoy your type of music from back in the day, and maybe you might have to alter the songs you're doing currently and look at what you did from back in the day?
Yeah, I think so. I've been thinking about it. I mean, I'm also trying to just come out with a couple of songs, old songs. I'm going to shoot a video to it, and so it is true. People are talking about it. I also know it.
So we'll be seeing you going back to the old Euphoria concert.
Of course. That's what I'm going to do.
Is that also to say that, it is not true always that, you have to modernize your activity. Sometimes you just need to be you.
I mean, you have to be you. Music, is like a prophecy. It comes out of you. So what comes out of you is what you sing. So, for me, that's how I feel. I don't have to follow somebody blindly. I just sing what I feel.
You sing what you feel. But would you also agree that maybe the current crop of musicians put you under pressure to sing in a certain style that was not the Euphoria concert we knew?
I think so, because, you just want to follow the crowd. But sometimes when you follow the crowd, it doesn't, pay, because there is something that makes you a Euphoria concert. So you have to be original. So that's what I'm trying to do. Be original, be myself, and enjoy it.